Hi, I'm Kelsey. In the previous DonorElf video, we set up the DonorElf journal and added your initial prospects into it. In this video, we'll show you how to log activity in DonorElf and how to set up tasks for the future. We'll start by going to the DonorElf journal and identifying a prospect. Reports, journals. Let's find the prospect Scarlett Cartan. Whenever we do something with a prospect or ministry partner, we want to record it in DonorElf. When you click on a square, DonorElf prompts you to enter a task for that prospect in that part of the MPD cycle. First, you'll send an announcement letter to your Aunt Scarlett. She doesn't know much about the ministry, and it's been a while since you've connected. Once you've sent her your announcement, you'll record it here. As soon as you send the announcement, you'll record that task. Click on Announcement. The action is Other, and it's in the form of a letter, or we can also do email. We'll do email for Aunt Scarlett. And I sent it today, so I put today's date, and I completed it, so I marked complete. Save. You can see that once there is a completed task in a column, DonorElf prompts you to the task in the next column. You'll always want to add a next task with a due date after you've completed a previous one. The next task is the next thing that you will do. So after you've sent Aunt Scarlett an announcement, your next task will be to set up the ask or engage. To set this next task, you'll click on the Add Task button, select the action, which is engage, the medium, which is phone call, and a due date. With your engages, put the due date during MPD 102. We don't want to mark complete yet since we have not done that task yet. So our next task with Aunt Scarlett is to give her a call on the phone on May 24th. For our engage and follow-up tasks, you'll notice that DonorElf gives you the option of logging it as attempted or completed. When we engage with someone, we are reaching out to set up an ask appointment. Sometimes that engage results immediately in setting up the appointment, which is a completed engage. Other times we may leave a voicemail or send an email, which is an attempted engage. When you log an engage, be sure to select whether that engage was attempted or completed. So let's say I called my Aunt Scarlett as an engage to set up an ask appointment. She didn't pick up the phone and I left a voicemail. I would log this as an attempted engage. As you can see, DonorElf prompts you to engage with her again. Let's set up another task to engage within a week. Okay, now looking back at our journal, you can see your journal is organized by the task due date. Overdue tasks will be at the top and the due date will be in red, like these two here. Followed by that are the contacts that have tasks in the future, like this one and this one. Then finally, any contact that does not have an upcoming task, like these below. Also at the top, you will see how many tasks have been completed and how many by each stage. So here, in the setup ask engage, we have 3 completed tasks and 4 open. So the ones next to with check marks mean they've been completed. And the ones that have boxes next to them are still open for the future. Alright, this video was an overview of making and completing tasks in DonorElf. Our next video will go over entering pledges or financial commitments as your prospects become ministry partners.